Prevent unwanted adjustment or removal of your TV with the Kanto SDX 600 Anti-Theft Full Motion TV Wall Mount. Compatible with 37 to 65-inch TVs weighing up to 100 pounds, the SDX 600 can be installed onto dual studs up to 16 inches apart. The slim design allows your TV to sit 2.6 inches from the wall, and its heavy-duty steel arms allow extension of your screen up to 17.6 inches. Up to 45 degrees of swivel and 3 discrete tilt positions up to 12 degrees forward ensure you have the best viewing angle to watch your TV comfortably. The SDX 600 can guarantee your screen is perfectly level even after drilling with the adjustable horizontal leveling feature. Hide your cables out of sight with the integrated cable management channels to minimize visual distractions. The SDX 600 features anti-theft screws for the tilt mechanism and TV attachment arms to prevent unwanted tilt adjustments or TV removal. This makes the SDX 600 perfect for TV mounting in high-traffic areas or public spaces. Keep your screen safe from tampering with the SDX 600 Security Anti-Theft TV Mount by Kanto.
This 40-inch long extension TV wall mount
This is the SANUS Advanced Full Motion Premium Wall Mount, which fits TVs 46 to 95 inches and holds up to 175 pounds. Created for today's sleek TVs, the Advanced Full Motion Mount unites high-end performance with high-end design. Designed to blend seamlessly with TVs and decor, the Advanced Full Motion Mount was inspired by today's TVs and ultra-high-end appliances, and features a stylish brushed stainless black exterior. With a lower profile depth than traditional full motion mounts, the Advanced Full Motion Mount positions TVs closer to the wall, creating a more streamlined look that is reflective of the thinner profiles of TVs on the market today. Beneath the metal exterior is an ultra-strong solid steel frame that provides maximum support, ensuring your TV will stay securely in place. Expertly engineered with fluid motion design, the Advanced Full Motion Mount provides unparalleled smoothness. With fluid motion, effortlessly extend, tilt, and swivel your TV, regardless of your TV's size or thickness. The included Steady Set functionality provides increased stability, ensuring your TV screen will stay exactly where you want it. No drifting, shifting, or unwanted movement. Extend your TV for easy access to the back to quickly hook up cables. Easily conceal cables for a streamlined look. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. Included wall plate covers ensure the wall plate is hidden when the TV is extended. Hide an electrical outlet behind your mounted TV. This mount is perfect for mounting above eye level. It reduces glare from lights and windows, offers easier access to the back of your TV, protects children and pets from TV tipovers, adds space and style to your room. The mount's intuitive design ensures a clear and hassle-free setup. Enjoy the easy 3-step install. Simply attach the TV bracket to your TV, attach wall plate to your wall, and hang your TV on the wall plate. SANUS is the #1 selling TV mount brand in the US. All SANUS premium wall mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty. And we back it up with our expert customer care team. Questions? Give us a call.